So this is their braised beef noodles. And ang laki ng serving. Grabe. Hello Kitty 7-Eleven. What is that? White Lady flavored sparkling iced coffee. Smile ka naman. Baka naman may mga single ako dyang subscribers. Ito din si Claude. Piling ko ang dami nagkaka-crush nito. Very tender ang kanyang ko. Kaming pogi dito sa Taiwan, guys. Like, pangalawa lang nakita ko for today. Sliced beef marble.
Yeah, marble.
Ang ganda ng Gen Z shot ni Joseph. Such a milestone. Congratulations. Grabe, on second try na perfect niya. Guys, si Jungi in. Sheshe! Thank you so much. Good food, good food. Thank you. Taiwanese are the friendliest. Ni hao. Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? So nandito tayo ngayon sa Taipei in Taiwan because it's visa free. Extended yung pagiging visa free niya for Filipinos and we can stay here up to 14 days. So I am Dave and I am the Freeport Traveler on Facebook. So this is our first day here and we're gonna explore Taipei. So ngayon hanap muna kami ng makakainan. It's 11 AM. 3 AM kami dumating kanina sa accommodation namin. So we have to eat now para magkaroon tayo ng energy to explore the day. Tara, let's go! And guys, wait lang. Kung magbubook kayo ng any activity, for example, yung airport transfer, via Klook, you can use my promo code, DaveKino. Okay? Tapos i-comment ko din sa baba, sa comment section yung links ng mga activities na pwede nyo gawin dito sa Taiwan. Because Klook is live. So, kayo, anong nilulook forward nyo sa trip natin? Ako, just to eat good food and make memories with my friends. Crossing the streets of Taipei. So ngayon, punta tayo sa ibang convenience store. Kasi kahapon nag-convenience store tayo pero puro 7-Eleven eh. JP Med. Mukha siyang ano B. Pharma, no? Kailangan talaga natin ng decisive sa group, so it's Claude. Ay, ikaw nag-search. Ako taga-video lang ako. Uy, tara, it looks a very traditional Taiwanese. Yes, two. Braised beef noodles. So 180 siya. Guys, mura na siya as compared to I expected. Nag-Taiwan na ako pero mas mura siya kaysa kaysa Korea or Japan, ano?
I think we need to pay first.
Yeah, let's pay.
Mabagal ako kumain.
Ito, how much ito?
130 lang.
Oh, 130.
I know, and it has like shrimp.
Shrimp, 130 na siya. Wow. Oo, mura na. Smile ka naman. Yun lang. Baka naman may mga single ako dyang subscribers na papasa sa standards ni Lily. Single po siya. Si Claude, ito din si Claude. Piling ko ang dami nagkaka-crush nito. Ay, ito na. Let's go. Wow, oh my gosh, that's so big. Thank you. Sheshe. How much yung water?
Ay, dala ko lang.
Okay. Wow. Guys, so this is their 180 times 2. So this is their braised beef noodles. And ang laki ng serving. Grabe. I love Taiwan. Masarap siya, guys. Very tender ang kanyang ko. And ang sarap ng texture ng noodles. Wow. Food vlogger yan. Lahat sa akin masarap. So wag niyo akong i-judge. Ito talagang shocking. Yung pinakamalaking tomato nakita ko sa buhay ko. Tapos sabi ni Renz, mukhang bone marrow yung patatas. Sa sobrang laki. Sulit. Anong pangalan niya?
Sliced beef.
Sliced beef marble.
Yeah, marble.
Okay.
Hindi ko sure, asan yung marble beef?
Mukha siyang bulgogi.
Correct.
Okay, happy eating. Kayo, what did you order?
We ordered seafood noodles and wonton in chili oil.
Okay, you prefer it over beef?
I don't like beef kasi.
Talaga?
Yeah, he likes beef but I don't. So he needs to adjust. Or else, no talking. Joke lang.
Or else, hindi tayo abot sa
Yeah, sa 30.
Gagi.
Joke
Wag
lang.
naman.
Joke lang.
Baliw.
Sige,
Ikakat ko na to guys ha. So this is their order. Wonton chili.
Wonton in chili oil.
Wonton in chili oil. Seafood noodle. Looks delicious siya. Of course we're in Taiwan so we should eat something yung nirarap. Ang tawag dyan? Dumpling. Oh, you finished it.
No, we shared.
Oh, you shared. So how's it?
I love this.
Oh, really?
I love the garlic. Ano? Sorry, chili oil in garlic. Basta yun, in garlic chili oil. Yun. Sarap pa.
Para sa'yo.
This is my favorite gulay kasi. Pechay Taiwan.
Okay. Pangalan talaga niya, Pechay Taiwan.
Sa Pilipinas.
So this is the legit Pechay Taiwan. Nice! Tingin ako na, ang ganda ng Gen Z shot ni Joseph. Such a milestone. Congratulations. Grabe, on second try na perfect niya. Oh. But the first try, wala si Renz. Yung sayo, okay din naman yung sayo. Oh, okay. Decent for the first try. Congratulations to this couple who'll be celebrating their anniversary on the 30th. You did it. So kayo yung mag-Gen Z shot. Ay, mag-post kayo ng Gen Z shot. Abangan ko sa IG story ninyo. Ganong anggulo
Gen Z.
Yes. Dapat pala kinain ko yung gulay mo. Hindi ka ba kumakain ng gulay? Sometimes not. Shit. Thank you so much. Good food. Thank you. Sarap ng noodles dito. O diba, Taiwanese are the friendliest locals that I've met. Let's go. 7-Eleven again. Itong Lipton milk tea. And then, kakaiba yung lace dito guys, sa 7-Eleven nila. And kahit saan guys, may 7-Eleven talaga. Kahit saan ka lumingon may 7-Eleven. Saan si Claude?
Sa labas lang.
Okay. Guys, si Jungi dito sa Taiwan. Ang pogi. Pogi dito sa Taiwan guys. Like, pangalawa lang nakita ko for today. And then, kailangan nyo ng easy card para sa transportation.
Gusto ko yung bigla ka
Yung transition. Yung transition. Pansin mo pala. Wala na akong masabi. Tapos ito. Ano sa'yo? Parang feeling ko Hanoi feels to. Itong mga ganito. Or not?
I don't know eh.
Bagay. Nanood kasi ako ng mga vlogs. Hong Kong. How about Hong Kong?
Hong Kong is very this.
So not this. Not like this.
Yeah, mas maraming...
Okay, sa bagay. Mas pinupunta natin ako. Okay. Ang daming interesting stuff dito, guys. May crepe si Mayor. Punta ulit tayo sa Hello Kitty. Yun pala. Yeah, it's there. We're back here. It's Hello Kitty 7-Eleven. Nice. Hindi, oo. Yung mga ano nila dito, coffee flavor, mojito flavored sparkling iced coffee, white lady flavored sparkling coffee. Pero mahal nasa 99. 200 pesos.
What should I buy? The white lady or the...
White lady. So you'll know how a white lady tastes like. How white lady tastes like. Laki niya for 200 pesos, no? Around 200. Wowers. Talagang tinimpla. Wow! Thank you. Your, what is that? White lady flavored sparkling iced coffee. Gusto ko yung gusto yung packaging. Uy. I love the packaging.
Taiwan.
Is that coffee?
Yep.
Yeah, guess what it is.
Huh?
Guess what it is.
What it is?
Wala nung pangalan.
You will never guess it.
Hello Kitty.
Hello.
It's white lady flavored sparkling iced coffee.
How much? 29. Oh, really?
The question is, how's your white lady flavored sparkling iced coffee?
I can taste the coffee. I can taste the
Sparkling water. But you can...
And then I can also taste some kind of tea. But where's the white lady?
So how does
Where's
a
the
white lady...
I am the white lady.
So do you taste delicious? White lady sparkling iced coffee. white lady flavored ice
Kulang pa din.
Feeling ko lang sa FI ako. White lady flavored sparkling iced coffee of Claude Lin Regino.
Full name.
Oy, proud dito sa LC. What's the taste?
Wait lang.
Confusing.
Lord, ang sarap! I love!
How does it taste like for you?
Nakaka-confuse yung taste kasi di mo alam kung
Mixed
sparkling
signals.
sparkling.
We don't like mixed signals.
Ay,
Do you
totoo
like
yan.
mixed signals?
Ayoko
Do you?
rin. Ayokong nangangapa. It can be fun. Mixed signals, ayaw natin. Pero parang ganyan siya. Masarap. Masarap kahit mixed signals. Yung taste niya.
Tapos
Salamat.
stress yung tummy mo after.
Oh!
What? Sarap.
But it's delish. Yeah. So yun guys, sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating braised beef noodles experience. Tapos ang ating paglakad-lakad dito sa Taipei. It's our first day and so far I'm having fun because this is very spontaneous. Wala kaming itinerary for this morning. And minsan lang ito mangyayari sa akin kasi usually pinaplano ko talaga yung araw. But it's also nice to be really spontaneous because you discover things that you didn't expect you'll discover, right? And ayun, kung gusto yung mag-Taipei or Taiwan, visa free pa po tayo mga Pilipino hanggang next year, 2024. And kung gusto yung ma-experience yung iba't ibang activities, dito sa Taiwan, marami kayong makita naman sa Klook. So may mga nakalinya kaming activities for our trip. And you can use my promo code DaveGino para maka 5% off kayo, okay? So, ayan na, paalam na tayo. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Anyong, ni hao. Anong babay sa ano? Sisiye na lang. Thank you. Thank you. Sisiye na lang para safe. Sisiye.